Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market lift is very big clues right here. Let's talk about that. So much liquidity is building in the market. You see all this liquidity here, isn't it? If there is a big move that's coming, it's going to be smooth like butter. And yes, easy way down, easy way up. Yes, we caught this quite straightforward. I will talk to you about that, but you have to be very careful because this wedge is very, very dangerous, especially with the 20-day moving average here. Let's talk about that more in today's video. Pretty straightforward day. First things first, 9:55 here. Now, I talked about this magenta algorithm, but before that, this pink, talking about this pink, how we brought us up to create the head here. And then this magenta, which was quite important. With the magenta, you start seeing some tapering starting to form. And knowing that the magenta starting to form the tapering algorithm here. Beautiful trade, grabbing the liquidity here on the way down. You saw that happening off that magenta algorithm, especially off that retracement here. Beautifully right there. Absolutely beautiful trade. I got my first 100% trade of the day from this. And understanding how we got here to form the head, right? So this is an absolutely beautiful trade, all because you understood how to be identifying that magenta algorithm right there. See it for yourself, beautiful liquidity here that's grabbed. And understanding how this got up here was important because you see how the pink algorithm was building liquidity early in the day and how we caught the head here. And thereafter seeing that magenta starting to rebuild liquidity there. Absolutely beautiful trade. Now, this is not just it, because thereafter at 12:16, I told you, wait for inverse cup to close if you do not have a clear entry. And you see the cup closing here with the inverse cup that's forming, building the liquidity. You see orange and magenta at work right there. Absolutely beautiful. It's still magenta and it's still orange. And I caught the trade here off that handle right there. Now, do not despise this move because just take a look. This is just a 1 point move. Take a look from 48 to 48, right? Just 1 point move here. I caught this move and it's about a 350% trade right there. All because you were willing to wait and just take a look how penny perfect it is. Remember the pink algorithm brought us up early. Penny perfect. I remember what I talked about, having penny perfect algorithms right there. Now, in this case, remember I mentioned it's a 350% trade, but because I had very tight stops, and if you were to be looking at my stops here, together with the pink algorithm, this is actually an 11x trade, 1100% trade right there, not just a 350